It is time for the quadratic formula for number 3, and I'm going to stop the video and we'll move on to the next. So quadratic formula, well, first off, we need our a, b, and c values. And so your a value is the coefficient right next to the x squared or the r squared. So your a value is 4. Your b value is next to the variable with just the x or the r. Well, let me just move this. So that is the 6. And then your c value is just going to be the constant number without the variable, which is going to be the -1, so incorporate that negative. Okay. You know, there was a song that's associated to this, and we can sing it along a little bit, but let me just write the formula first. -b plus or minus square root. So we can go karaoke norebang style. 1, 2, 3. X equals -b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So it goes in the rhythm of tune of Pop Goes the Weasel. I think there's some other variants as well if you want to check out some songs like that. But enough with the song. Let's plug it in. Really, now you just plug in all the a, b's, and c values. The -4 stays there, the 2 stays there. Let's plug it in. So this is going to be -6. And so if your b value was actually -6, this would turn positive. Okay. I'm going to put parentheses. So it'll be parentheses 6 squared minus 4. Your a value and c value are 4 and -1 respectively. And then 2 times 4. Really, once you have all of this, this is now, you're just simplifying everything that you can, following your PEMDAs. Okay, we can't do too much with the -6. This goes over here. 6 squared is 36. Treat this as a multiplication. -4 times 4 times -1 is going to be positive 16. 2 times 4 is 8. Let's add them up. This is 12, root of the 1, 52. Okay. See if you can break up that radical. Very, very similar to like how you did on number 1. 52 is not a number that we can square root evenly. So let's find some pairs of 52. I think we can divide this by 2. Let's try it out. Yeah, half of 52 is 26. And then we can half the 26, 2, and 13. I already see a pair. So again, the point of breaking them down is just so that we can see some pairs, and we can, that's how you're going to simplify that radical. Okay, anyway, -6 plus or minus. Remember what goes on the outside. What goes on the outside is the 2. Only one time. What goes back in the inside is the 13. And then all over 8. We're almost done. From here, you want to check what's called your Bermuda triangle. Your Bermuda triangle is these 3 numbers right over here. So sons, what, minus 13. Now, with the Bermuda triangle, see if you can reduce all of them, and you can reduce all of them by a 2. Okay. So your final answer, and then we can split it up. So this is going to be negative. Okay, divide this by 2, it's going to be 3. Divide this by 2, it's going to be 1. And divide this by 2, it's going to be 4. Okay. And then from here, you can split this up. X equals -3 plus radical 13 over 4. And you don't have to write the 1 anymore. Or you can go x is equal to -3 minus radical 13 over 4. Number 3, sorry. Yeah, okay, there we go. I'll see you guys on the next video.